Stop by and take a look at 2016 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, cross-traffic alert, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.